are you? And hi to my little special ones. Hope everybody is safe and healthy. Today, me and my little helper, Ethan, we're gonna make, what are we gonna make today?
A volcano.
A volcano? But how are we gonna do it?
With vinegar.
With vinegar?
And with colors.
And colors, and what else? We need
Baking soda.
That's right, Mama. We're gonna need 2 simple ingredients. Baking soda, I hope everybody has in the kitchen, and vinegar. And
I
if
have
you
a
want,
pan. And I have a pan.
that's great. And if you want a special effect, you can add food coloring or paint if you just have in the house. We can put it inside, right?
Yeah.
Okay, step
I
1.
want yellow.
Okay, step 1. What are we gonna have to do to put?
Baking soda and colors. Baking soda and colors and vinegar.
You're gonna need a tall glass so the effect of the volcano will be good. So get a tall glass, maybe a small container to put the vinegar before, and then you're gonna pour the baking soda into the tall glass. You wanna show them how it's done? Okay. Everybody can do it, right? Okay. So let's put a little bit baking soda, maybe a little bit more. We want big volcano, big effect. Woo, that's better. Let's see. You see how much? Like maybe 2 spoons. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Yay, good job, Baba. Okay, so after we put the baking soda inside, what do we need to put inside?
Colors and vinegar.
That's right. First the color, right? So
Yellow.
everyone in the family can have one volcano for himself. Okay, so you can have multiple colors or just one color, and everybody can choose one and put it in their cup, right? So you said yellow, right?
Yeah.
Why yellow?
Because it's my favorite.
That's your favorite? That's so nice. Okay, we're gonna open up and
I'm gonna put it.
you're gonna put it, yeah. Well, I choose the blue one because I really miss the ocean, and blue is the color of the ocean. Great
And the
job.
sky.
And the sky. It's good, Ethan. Okay, so this one is yours. I'm gonna take mine here. I'm putting the color inside, you see? I'm just putting it inside like this.
And I need one more color.
You don't need to mix
Purple.
it or anything. Okay, but we just have 2 cups. So, you're gonna pour the vinegar. Either you can do it right out of the bottle or but wait for Ima, okay? We're gonna do it together, the volcano. Or you can, if it's too heavy or it's too, just put it in a small cup or something and then pour it into the tall glass. Are you ready to show them our volcanoes? 1, 2, 3. Oh!
My goodness!
Yay! High five, Ethan. You did such a great job. I'm so proud of you.
Maybe a little bit more.
Maybe a little bit more. If you have a little bit of baking soda left in the cup, you can mix it up a little bit. And then you can even put a little bit more vinegar. And then maybe you can have a second volcano. You want to try?
Yeah.
Ah, we did it!
It's turning green.
It's turning green. Ethan, why is it turning green?
Because there's blue and yellow.
Blue and yellow together, we get the color
Orange.
Which color did you say you see here?
Green.
Green. Yeah.
And blue.
So blue and yellow together gives us the color green.
Ema,
Good job.
can I do one more color?
Yes, we can do it. But
I choose purple.
let's let everybody have their own experiment now.
I
I hope you
purple.
enjoyed it. Stay safe. Bye, everybody.
I choose purple.
Good job. We're going to do it now.
Can I do?
Bye-bye.
Can I?